Good morning. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Mobile World Congress. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Gregory Derrer from VMware AirWatch, and I'm welcoming today in Mobile World Congress 2017 from sunny Barcelona, Dan Deene. How are you, Dan?
Yeah, I'm wonderful. Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Hannover Mobile World Congress, how many times for you?
This is number 6 for me.
Number 6?
Yes.
All right, so thanks. Yeah, Dan, so you have a big space on the VMware booth this year, right?
Yes, we're pretty excited about how we're working with VMware, and AetherPal is promoting what we call mobile support management to drive an end user experience for mobile workers. And our partnership with AirWatch is pretty exciting. We're collaborating on a lot of different end user products in line with AirWatch's end user computing strategy.
So let me back up for a second, Dan, because actually maybe not everyone is familiar with AetherPal. So tell us a little bit about AetherPal, and then we'll get back on what we do great together. So tell us about you.
Sure. Yeah. So with AetherPal, we are leading a strategy, what we call mobile support management. So for us, that means we have the end user as the primary focus for our products. So we do mobile self-service, we have guide me tutorials, we have remote support, we have a full portfolio and a platform around mobile support management that drives this real-time end user experience for support. And it nicely plays into the AirWatch strategy around mobility and security.
And so what are the top 2-3 trends that you see, maybe not just this year, but in the industry relatively to your market? Tell us a little bit about that as well. What do you see as big things changing around you right now?
Sure, yeah. So I think one big trend in the market that we're seeing is the rapid expansion of the purpose-built device market. So purpose-built devices are moving into all segments of enterprise. So it's enterprise tablets and hospitality use cases with financial services, healthcare, and looking at retail applications around purpose-built is really accelerating. And then also another big trend that we're seeing is enterprise app adoption is really becoming front and center. So enterprises have been deploying line of business and productivity applications, and now they're really focused on the end users and driving that usage and adoption, training, onboarding the users to really drive the mobile transformation. Those are 2 trends. And I think the third trend we're seeing also is around the impact millennials are having on mobility and self-service. And I think that's another area that we're focused on driving that experience.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thanks. And so now that we know you a little bit better, so tell us, why are you here? Why AetherPal is with VMware today? Why are you with me at 9 a.m. in the morning after 2 days of Barcelona event?
Yes. Well, we're here to really figure out how do we really work together with customers. So we're meeting customers and partners, looking at joint solutions. How do we position our mobile support management products, to align with AirWatch and VMware's customers in the market, and really kind of showcase what we're doing as a company.
Yeah. And what do you see are the strengths of AirWatch in this market relatively to your product and your ecosystem?
Yeah, sure. So with VMware as the leading portfolio of products around enterprise mobility management, which includes Workspace ONE and the whole portfolio around security, I think is pretty interesting. And what we're trying to do is bring in mobile support management to kind of strengthen those capabilities. So there's a broader set of solutions that can be offered to your customers across the landscape that really help drive a lot of the Workspace ONE app adoption and utilization, and then also help with the purpose-built market that VMware AirWatch is moving into. And those are kind of the common areas that we're working together.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. That's great.
Awesome.
And so did you see anything, now let's talk about the show. You've been here like me for quite a few years now. What do you think is changing a lot right now in this show? The IoT, the car, there's much more car than before. So what's your opinion about the show?
Yeah, I mean, overall it's great. And I think we're seeing a lot of different trends in the market around smart devices, applications, use cases. There's a lot of the virtual reality and augmented reality products that are coming in, not only to consumers, but also into enterprise use cases that are pretty interesting. And for us, I think we could work together to sort of like look at how do we support all this stuff? How do we bring this together? How do we focus on the end user? And that's really what's pretty exciting.
Yeah. No, I think we had a great year with you guys from AetherPal. I mean, our teams are working closely together, and our customers are pretty excited about what we do together. So I think the future will tell that we're gonna drive this collaboration even further beyond what we do today. So we're very excited to have you us on our booth today, Dan. I'm really excited about what comes for us in 2017. Really thank you for your sponsorship, of course, and for being here and being such a faithful partner of VMware. It is very important for us to have partners such as you with strong, reliable product, with great ambitions and great customer install base. So we're very excited to have you here, and I want to thank you for being with us again today and this morning, especially after the event we had last night. So
yeah, well, that's great. Yeah, we're very appreciative of working together. I think there's a big opportunity in the market for us to collaborate and push forward, and we're going to have a great 2017.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Dan.
Yeah,
thank you very much.